Could you tell me what do you Could you tell me what do you usually do before? Hello and welcome back. Are you ready to our lesson today? If you are ready, press start. Could you tell me what do you usually do before going to school? I get up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Now open your books, page 31. Now, could you read this dialogue? I'll give you 5 minutes to read it. Now, let's watch a video about our lesson.
Listen and repeat.
What time do you usually get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock, at sunrise.
Do you always have breakfast?
Yes, I do. I have breakfast at 6:30.
Now, it's time to read. Read the dialogue loudly. Ali, what time do you usually get up? Polly, I get up at 6 o'clock at sunrise. Haya, do you always have breakfast? Polly, yes, I do. I have breakfast at 6:30. And now, we're gonna to read the dialogue again and choose the correct answer. Number 1, Polly gets up at 6 o'clock, 1:30 or 6:30. Yes, excellent. Polly gets up at 6 o'clock. Polly has breakfast at 7 o'clock, 6:30 or 1 o'clock. Could you find the answer? Yes, very good. Polly has breakfast at 6:30. Now it's time to learn new vocabulary. Sunrise. Sunrise. Repeat after me. Sunrise. Sunrise. I like to get up early and watch the sunrise. Sunset. Sunset. We pray at the sunset and sunrise. Half past. Half past. Repeat after me. Half past. What's the time in this picture? Could you tell me? Yes, excellent. It's 2:30. Now, could you complete the dialogue and write it down? Yes, very good. When do you usually visit your grandmother? I usually visit my grandmother on Monday. Yes, very good. When do you usually visit your grandmother? I usually visit my grandmother on Monday. Yes, excellent. I go with my family. Who do you go with? I go with my family. What do you do there? We play and have lunch together. Yes, excellent. And now, could you look at these clocks and tell me what do you always do at this time? Get up. I always get up. 7 o'clock. Yes, excellent. I always get up at 7 o'clock. And now we're going to learn capitalization and punctuation. We should begin the sentence with the capital letter, and we put full stop, question mark, comma, apostrophe, or exclamation mark. Today, capital letter. All sentences begin with capital letters. At the beginning of the sentence, you must put capital letter, okay? We enjoyed reading the book. Look here, we write it in capital letter because it's in the beginning of the sentence. The children played in the rain. The begin with capital letter T, capital T, because it's in the beginning of the sentences. Also, we use capital letter with the proper nouns. Proper nouns like the name of the people, Ali, Haya, Noura, Safaa, and also the days of the week, the names of the countries. I am getting my hair cut on Tuesday. Look here, Tuesday is proper noun. It's a day of the week. So we should write it in capital letter. Tuesday, capital letter. Uncle Bertie works very hard. Look here, Bertie is a noun, so we write it in a capital letter. The pronoun I is always capitalized. We should write the I in capital letter in the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the sentences, okay? I always be capital letter. I went swimming in the sea. Look here, I, capital letter. We should write I in capital. My aunt and I love to sing. Look here, I in the middle of the sentence, but we write it also in capital letter. The pronoun I is always capitalized, okay? Punctuation, period or full stop. Period or full stop. At the end of the sentence, we put a period or we put a full stop. Don't forget, at the end of the sentence, we put. Today is very cold and wet. Look here. When we finish the sentence, we put full stop. Take your coat and hat with you. Also here we put full stop at the end, or we put period at the end. Here is some examples. Capitalize and use a period or full stop. My name is Amelia. Look here, the first letter of the sentences, my, M. We write it in capital M, because it is in the beginning of the sentences. And also, Amelia, it's a proper noun. It's a name of the girl, so we should write it in capital letter. And at the end of the sentence, we put full stop or period. Don't forget, at the end we put what? Yes, excellent, full stop. My mother's name is Genelia. My, here is the first letter of the sentences, M. We write it in capital letter. And also, Genelia is a proper noun. It's a name. So, we should write it in capital letter. And here is at the end of the sentence, we put full stop. Don't forget, at the end we put what? Full stop. Yes, excellent. My father's name is Andrew. Here is the first letter of my is capital letter, capital M. Andrew is a proper noun. It's a name. So we write it in capital A. And at the end we put full stop. Don't forget, at the end of any sentence we put full stop. Don't forget that today we have assignment, okay? We're going to read the sentence and rewrite them using a capital letter and full stop. Thank you for watching. Bye.